Sign language fingerspelling. Fingerspelling isn't just for communication. It's a brilliant way to build finger control, posture, and coordination. Start with a few simple letters like A, B, E, L, or M. These require different finger positions and encourage your child to move each finger with intention. If your child struggles, start with hand over hand help or use just one letter a day. A mirror helps them self-correct. Level up by spelling your child's name, common words, or using flashcards for a match and sign game. For sensory sensitive kids, start with ear signs or soft gloves until they are ready for full motion. Pair fingerspelling with music, story time, or visuals. It boosts memory and makes practice more fun. Fingerspelling improves the control needed for typing, signing names, drawing shapes, and using school tools. Letter by letter, your child is building precision, patience, and strong fingers. Sign and strengthen together.